my sweethearts, it's me, Heartdrop here. Welcome back to, well, mini gaming. Probably wondering why I haven't recorded in a while in Minecraft. It's a long story short. Like I said in the last couple videos, in my blog update, I need a new screen recorder. This one, it takes forever to install it, back up, because something happened to make it it doesn't like forever stick, because like it used to, it doesn't stay anymore in my computer software. I'm not sure why. And probably wondering what server I'm playing on. I'm playing on like a roleplay server, sort of. It's more like a faction server, if you ask me. It has plugins on here too. Even has town plugin also. I'll leave the server down below in the end of the video. If you guys want to join me, if I'm on. And I'm trying to make my own town. But turns out you need like 10 million game dollars or something like that to make your town. And also has to drop like plugins also. And you can get money in that way. No, I just need to, how do I sell my wood? Let's hope it's daylight to get more wood. Let's check. And yes, I'm underground now. Nope, still night. Usually I'm just using my soul skills and stuff to survive. Usually I'll go out till daytime so I don't get attacked by wild mobs. Found a good area to make a town. It's just, I don't want to waste all my resources so I got so far. But mining out here is not so bad. It's gave me enough money to make my town. This costs money, what I'm gonna do right now. Just hold on a second. And also my star's been doing good so far. More or less. Just I've been cooped in the house for a while. But it's gonna end very soon because I'm going to art class very soon, I hope. I've got a life here to die. Never mind. Let's go right out. Yay. There we go. There we go. And also, I've been doing really good, more or less. I ended Surfer Autism's been really fun. I just can't wait to go back. It's like I said before in my last video, Surfer Autism is a program to teach autism kids how to surf. It's really fun. I suggest you check it out also. This website I'll leave down below in the link. Let me check slash. How many money I got? Oh, I'm almost there. That's good. No mine there. If you see like blocks already mined, that leads to a cave, and I don't want to stumble to it, cause last time I did, a creeper almost blew me up. Bright side, I did get a diamond afterwards. Only one, but still, that was really harsh and that was not necessary. Plus, I don't want the best iron. I did got iron armor, but only fun was only get some extra, like, better armor and stuff. Plus, if it's spawn more in the cave, I'm pretty sure get more attack by mobs that way. And that's how I want mobs. Oh, I hear a spider. Nothing around my little area I dig. I don't like it. Let's put a torch down. So anyway, guys, sorry I'm not talking that much. It's just I've been thinking making a fanfic, and yes, I've been writing a fanfic. I've been thinking about it, and I really want to write it. And so far, I'm writing it right now as speak, but I don't know what else to write on it. So if you got any advice for me on my fanfic, let me know in the comment down below section. Cause right now I have some writer's block. Go, here we go. Finger getting off the video here, guys. So watch you guys. That's all the time we have. See you next time. Hard drop. Bye bye.